Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Will Canadian rapper Drake perform in Jamaica? E-Prime sources indicate that there is a strong possibility the God's Plan rapper is the special international guest scheduled to perform at Unruly Fest Popcorn and Friends in concert this Saturday. If so, it will also mark the first time the Champagne Pappy will perform in the Caribbean. Popcorn and Drake have had a long-standing friendship, collaborating on reggae-influenced singles Controller and My Chargy. And in 2016, Popcorn was featured in Drake's action-packed short film Please Forgive Me. In addition to seeing the unruly boss Popcorn in concert, other performers billed for the highly anticipated event are Coca T, Tanya Stevens, Agent Sasko, Bounty Killer, Iba Marant, Iwin, Dexter Daps, Dre Island, Javinci, Jaffras, Bushman, and many more. It's more than bringing in fans from across the island, as Unruly Fest is meant to support the growing economy of Popcorn's hometown, St. Thomas. DJ Khaled to purchase a multi-million-dollar mansion in Jamaica. Earlier this week, DJ Khaled, who is eager to reside right here, expressed his interest in buying a multi-million-dollar property he's staying at right here in Jamaica. In a video clip posted on his social media pages, the producer and DJ was keen on contacting the owner of the property so that he could buy it. It turns out that the beachfront villa is owned by famous Jamaican businessman Butch Stewart, and in a video response, the Sandals boss gave the go-ahead for the We The Best head honcho to purchase his villa.
DJ Khaled, put short your Sandals results. They don't want me to sell in the house, but I'm going to sell in the house. I don't know what.
The DJ currently owns 2 mansions in Miami valued at US $26 and $8 million respectively. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.